Section 1-4 Extension Extension 1 Classroom Vocabs Please repeat after me. El libro, book. La mesa, table. El techo, ceiling. El lápiz, pencil. El borrador, eraser. La puerta, door. La ventana, window. La pluma, fountain pen. La lámpara, lamp. La pared, wall. El suelo, floor. El bolígrafo, pen. La tiza, chalk. El papel, paper. El cajón, drawer. La pizarra, blackboard. La caja, box. El cristal, glass. La goma, eraser. El cuaderno, notebook. La silla, chair. El lapicero, pencil case. Extension 2 El verbo ser. The present tense form of the Spanish verb ser is shown as follows. Ser, to be. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él es, ella es, usted es. He is, she is, you formal are. Nosotros somos. Nosotras somos. We are. Vosotros sois. Vosotras sois. You are. Plural form and informal. Ellos son. Ellas son. Ustedes son. They are. Or. You guys, you all are. Formal. Let's look at the following examples. Yo soy estudiante. I am a student. Tú eres ingeniero. You are an engineer. Él es policía. He is a policeman. Ella es policía. She is a policewoman. Nosotros somos militares. We are soldiers. Vosotros sois profesores. You are professors. Ellos son obreros. They are workers. Ellas son obreras. They, females, are workers. This is the end of lesson 1. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.